Hey everyone! Today we are looking at the assembly process. I'm taking these fresh white wax petals and carefully stacking them to create a beautifully textured flower candle. Having the yellow and pink versions in the background really shows how versatile this craft is once you know the rules. If you're excited to learn how to do this flawlessly, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon.